Hello everyone, now let us start our next exercise, that is exercise number 2.5 class 9 NCERT. Before we start that exercise, we need to go through some identities which will be used in that exercise. Okay, so the identities are, first one is very basic, that is a plus b whole square. Remember, I know you remember this equation, this identity. Second one is of course a minus b whole square. Okay, and one more basic identity we have learned, that is a plus b a minus b. Remember, and x plus a x plus b is also another identity. These are the most basic identities we have gone through so far. So apart from these four, we are having four more identities. Those are x plus y plus z whole square. I mean, if there is a third term, then what will be the square of this? What I will do, I will separate x plus y as one term and I will take z as another term, so that I can use the identity that is a plus b whole square. Okay, now again x plus y whole square is there, so we will solve that and then we will apply the distributive property here. So this is the required answer. Just by rewriting this, we get what is x plus y plus z whole square. So can anyone do one thing? Can anyone find, if there are four terms, what will be the whole square of it? Please comment on the comment section. Now next one is also a very basic identity, that is a plus b whole cube. Okay, this will have a practical implication on cubes. I can explain this. So this is the expansion of this x identity, which can be written as this also. Okay, so these are very basic identities. Students, can anyone tell me what is the basic difference between an identity and an equation? Think about this. I will be explaining this after some time. See, x minus y whole cube, everything will be in negative. Okay, in solving this we will find one positive here. You have to remember this positive sign where it is kept. Okay, it is when y is in square, then the term will be positive. Understood? So the last one is, so this is the last identity. We have two more identities actually. From the questions we can find that x cube plus y cube can be written as, so this is x cube plus y cube. Similarly, we have x cube minus y cube, that is, so these are the 8 plus 2 10 identities which we will be using in our next exercise. So let us start our exercise. So for the first part, if you have understood the identities, you can clearly guess that the identity to be used here is x plus a x plus b. Okay, so this is the required answer. Understood? Simple. You have to write the identity every time. Okay, now for the fourth part, we can apply the identity x plus y and x plus y into x minus y, that is x square minus y square, and we will directly get our answer. Understood? So this is how we will do the first question. Now moving on to the second question, in which two numbers are given and we will have to apply the identity and do the calculation. So this identity will be used here. 100 is x here, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 7. So putting that, we get our answer to be 11021. Okay, you cannot directly multiply these numbers, because in the question it is clearly written that using the without multiplying directly, using the properties only you have to do. Okay, so 95 into 96 can be written as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4, and therefore we will apply the identity of x plus a x plus b. Okay, where a is minus 5 and b is minus 4. Understood? So by calculation we will get our answer. Okay, now similarly for the third part, we can also apply a plus b a minus b here. Okay, these are your, okay.